Greetings, everyone. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Imagine, though, how much better it could be if we all took a little extra care of our bodies during the summer. Now picture this. Summer is here, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and you're stuck inside feeling unwell. You've neglected your body, not hydrating enough, eating unhealthy foods, and missing out on essential physical activities. As a result, you're sluggish, your skin is lackluster, and you're more susceptible to common summer ailments. Quite a bleak picture, isn't it? On the other hand, imagine yourself during summer feeling energetic and vibrant. Your skin is glowing, you're active, and you feel healthier than ever. This is the result of taking care of your body during the summer. In this video, we're going to delve into some crucial tips that can make this latter scenario a reality. We'll discuss the importance of hydration, the benefits of a balanced diet, the role of physical activity, and the necessity of sun protection. Firstly, hydration. Summer brings about an increase in temperature, which can lead to excessive sweating and, consequently, dehydration. Drinking ample water and other fluids can help replenish the body and keep it functioning optimally. Secondly, a balanced diet. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy a plethora of fresh fruits and vegetables. These foods not only keep you satiated, but also provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that boost your health and immunity. Thirdly, physical activity. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, boosts mood, and promotes overall well-being. It doesn't mean you have to hit the gym every day. A simple walk in the park or a swim in the pool can work wonders. Lastly, sun protection. While a dose of sunlight is excellent for vitamin D synthesis, excessive exposure can lead to sunburn, premature aging, and other skin problems. Therefore, using sunscreen and wearing protective clothing is of utmost importance. To sum up, taking care of your body during summer involves staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and protecting yourself from the sun. These simple yet effective tips can help you enjoy summer to the fullest while maintaining your health and well-being. And there you have it. The secret to having a vibrant and energetic summer is right in your hands. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, a healthy body is a happy body. So, until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.